sound of children's laughter. Now it's quiet, so I guess they left the park. This wooden bench is getting harder by the hour. The sun is going down, it's getting dark. I realize I'm cold, the rain begins to pour as I watch the windows on the second floor. The lights are on, it's time to go. It's time at last to let him know.
I'm actually speechless. I'm feeling quite emotional, and I really hope that all the super fans got what they want, because we listened to 2 new singles and a new album is coming. And if you can't get enough of ABBA, just visit abbavoyage.com. My name is Arantxa Alvarez, and this has been Unreal. ABBA, vi älskar er!
I'm fired up, don't shut me down. I have learned to cope, and love and hope is why I am here.